Hi friend, this is Node application, and in this we will check how to read files content inside a directory. So this is the directory locations, and in location we have many files, txt file here. You can see a lot of file available inside this folder, and if we check the content, all have some JSON data here. This is the JSON data. Every file includes some JSON data. So we will check how we can read all the content of these files inside this directory. So we have to do this. We have to import. We will write code inside this file, and we have to import file system plugin. That is this. We have to use path. That is this. FS is used for file manipulation, file handling, and path is used to combine two path into a single combined path. So after this, we have to define the directory path, and that is path dot join. This dir name is represent the current root path, and we have to combined with locations directory. So this is the directory path basically. Path we use path.join, and this is the root path to indicate the root of the project, and this is the main directory from which we have to read all the files. So after getting directory path, we will use fs dot read directory method, and in this we pass the directory path, and it returns the callback function with two parameters, that is error, and second one is list of files. So if the error is there, then this code will be executed, otherwise else block. We have the list of files, so we will print the files here, and we will check on the console what is inside the files array. So basically files is the array, and if error, then we will print the error. So now let's run this. So you can see we have all the listing of file name here. This is the files array basically, and everything inside this array. So we have the name of the files available. Now inside this else block we will read the content of the files. As files is a array, so we will use for each method, and in every files we have the file name. So we will have to get the file path basically. So that is path.join. We'll use path.join, and absolutely we will combine the file name with the directory path to get the exact path. So first parameter is directory path, and second one is file. So finally we have the file path here. This is the exact file path which we need. Now we will use fs.read file method, and in this we will pass file path, and we have to put some property here like encoding, and that is encoding is UTF-8, and second one is callback parameter. Callback, that is, and it returns the data exactly when the callback returns. So if you can see here is two parameters. So if the error, then if block will be executed, otherwise we will print the data console.log.data. So if error, then we will print the error. So first the list of file will be print, and then the data will be print, because we first get the file names, and after this we looping through the files, and we read the content of the file here. So if we run this again, reader.js, so you can see we have all the data printed here is one by one. First we have the file names, and after this one by one JSON data is printed here. So this is the way to read the file content inside the directory in Node.js. Hope you like this. If you like this, please subscribe the channel, like the video, will back soon.